I think WPT got some new tones for their emergency alert system, because they sound different than last time.
Military and security apparatus. It's
The National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin until 6:15 p.m. At 5:33 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located 6 miles south of Argyle, or 12 miles east of Darlington, and moving east at 10 miles an hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Argyle around 5:45 p.m., Monroe Airport around 6:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Woodford, Browntown, and Jordan Center. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.